on to the next important topic of the chapter, that is water. So, you guys must remember in the first class I told you when you take Earth as a whole, it is divided into 3/4 of water and 1/4 of land. And maybe that is why it is called as water planet. And when Earth is seen from space, because of 3/4 of its body covered in water, it is also known as the blue planet. So when I tell you that we have about 79% of water, don't you think then why all this water crisis that we are facing doesn't make any sense? But then the problem is not all the 79% can be used for domestic purposes like drinking and cooking, and that is exactly why fresh water, which amounts to only 2.7% of the entire water body, can be used, and that is why we are facing so much of water crisis. So first life form was also in water, as we know, and water can be the hub of so many varieties of animals and diverse flora and fauna. So fresh water that amounts to 2.7% again cannot be completely utilized. For instance, the glaciers and ice lakes, we can't have access to that. So only 1% of fresh water can actually be used for human consumption. And the volume of water is constant. Like water can neither be subtracted or added to the surface of earth. It remains constant. But then the abundance of water seems to vary because of the water cycle. Now, what is water cycle? How do we get, rainfall? It is because of water cycle. So, the whole process of water cycle is like this, that imagine an ocean surface, and then there is sunlight. So in the daytime, basically when there is sun, and what happens is evaporation takes place. So evaporation takes place from the surface of the ocean. Now these water droplets goes up and then they become clouds. And clouds, when they can no more bear the weight of water droplets, then perspiration occurs, that is rain falls. So that is water cycle, and which is very important because that is how we get rainfall. Uses of water. The water has abundance of uses, and just to mention a few, it is agriculture, industries, generating electricity, and for domestic needs. But yeah, if you can go in detail for industries, we have many industries which needs water. Generating electricity, of course, you can't imagine a life without electricity, and water is one of the ways to generate electricity. Now, when you know that water is so crucial and so very important for life form to exist, there are also a few things that we humans do that results in shortage of water. First and the foremost, it's again the population, the oversized population, which results in the shortage of water, and the increasing demands for food and water, and the increase in lifestyles also results in shortage of water.